Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I just threw something together. I'm not I don't know what's wrong with me. My self-discipline is like gone lately. I'm doing things a little bit too last second for my taste, but that's okay. It gives me time to like think about it. So when I go to draw something, like at least I have an idea of what I'm gonna draw. But I have some good news. I think my internet's okay. I'm not like, I don't have 100% faith in it, but like, they never sent a guy, but like, it seems like it fixed itself and they just kind of upgraded us for the trouble, and I don't know, something about a stuck profile. But yeah, it should be okay, and like, anyway, I guess I've just been using my phone as like a USB stick, and I'll just use the work computer to like, just upload the video, and then I'll come home and like fix all the settings and stuff, because I don't know, I'm too stubborn to let a video go up late. Yeah, there's not too much to say about this one, so I'll just let you guys enjoy the little mystery dungeon music, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.